Today we'll be taking a look at 3M's Cubitron 2 net abrasives, the Festool CleanTec 36E HEPA dust extractor, the Festool WCR 1000 work center with Sortainer System 4, the Festool Lex 377 and 150, and 3M's Hookit dust extraction flexible sanding blocks. We'll be assembling these products as one mobile unit and seeing how easy and convenient it is to have a dust-free, safe work environment. Everything in this dust extraction system has been designed for efficiency and convenience. To assemble, we'll start at the bottom. There's a tab at the bottom of the filter. It slides over and clips in. Then you can just unfold it a bit. Hook up the hose. This plugs in like an air hose, and it simply slides into the machine. The top has a main filter underneath, and it sets right down and snaps into place. There's 4 clips for attaching the work center. You just set that down and snap those into place. The support columns are adjustable to accommodate different size Festool sustainers. And it fits in there real nicely. When finished with the simple assembly, you'll have an all-in-one work center dust extraction system. The Festool CT36E features auto tool start, variable suction, a large container capacity, quiet operation, an anti-static hose, Festool SysStock feature to turn the extractor into a mobile work center, large wheels with a parking brake, low center of gravity to avoid tipping, a cord wrap, HEPA filters, a hose garage, and a max suction force of 137 cubic feet per minute. The Festool Work Center 1000 mounts easily on any Festool extractor. It's fully adjustable and versatile with many options for hanging or placing tools, and most importantly, takes advantage of the area on top of the extractor to organize your workspace. The Festool Lex 3 150 6-inch pad features a durable, sturdy design for long life, a 5mm stroke rate that's excellent for DA sanding, technology that extends abrasive disc life, an ergonomic non-slip design, and a quick connect, disconnect for any Festool dust extraction system. The Lex 3 77 features are similar to the 150, but with a 2.5mm stroke and a 77mm or 3-inch pad for finish sanding and tight spaces. Finally, the combination of 3M Cubitron 2 net abrasives and Festool work perfectly together to virtually eliminate dust from your workspace. The 3M abrasives outlast the competition, maximize dust extraction, feature an open net structure so no lining up holes, and triangular shaped grains that help discs last longer, stay sharper, and cut faster. With the Festool extractor, work center, sanders, and 3M abrasives working as one unit, we'll be able to block sand and prep this front end for paint while staying organized, seeing clearly what we're doing, and keeping the work area dust free. We'll be using the 3M Cubitron 2 net abrasives, 320 grit, and the 3M dry guide coat. When we turn on the sander, the extractor automatically turns on. let me give you a close-up shot of what that looks like. If there were any low areas, the 3M dry guide coat would show up in those low spots. Since none is showing, we're good. We can continue with the body line and the rest of the hood. And here's a close-up shot of that. Virtually no dust, and we could see exactly what we were doing. At this point, we can DA sand the rest of the hood and get it ready to paint. Going dust-free can be easy, efficient, and convenient with Festool's dust extractors, sortainers, the work center, and sanders, along with 3M's Cubitron 2 net abrasives and abrasive organization rack. I hope you enjoyed this video on Festool and 3M working together to make your job easy and dust-free. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.